I hate when they do this shit, man. This is the sample pair of the cough drops. So these are considered bronze cough drops. I mean, I like them, but these shits ain't never gonna see the light of day. I mean, them joints is clean right there. You know what I'm saying? I like how the hits are red hitting that, and it's a cop for me. I mean, this is just a sample pair, so we probably never gonna see these. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you ever buy this, or it'll just be some shit that just sits? And hit the like button and follow if you haven't already. We be dropping content videos all day, every day. Feel me? So let me know what you guys think, and peace.